joy. Welcome to Kids Craft Corner with the Hocutt-Ellington Memorial Library. Today we're going to be celebrating Lunar New Year and we're going to make a Chinese lantern. So let's get started. When you pick up your bag from the library, we've actually got two crafts in there. The first craft is a Year of the Ox figure with a stand, because this is going to be the Year of the Ox, and so we have a little ox for you here with a Chinese symbol for ox, which is new, and that's right there. And you can color it and follow the directions to make a little stand-up ox to help celebrate. And just so you know, people who are born in the Year of the Ox are strong, reliable, fair, conscientious, and patient. They are methodical and they can be trusted. Sometimes they're also a little bit stubborn and they don't like to fail. So that's a little bit of fun information for you. But now what we're going to do is craft number 2, and this one takes a little bit more explanation, so we're going to spend some time with that. So we're going to be making the Chinese New Year lantern craft. It's going to be a red lantern, and you'll follow the directions right here on the second half of your page. For this craft, you want to have some scissors, you want to have glue or tape, and you want to have colors, markers, or stickers, or something to decorate the bottom of your lantern with. You can hang these lanterns up. The Lunar New Year starts on Friday, February 12th. So let's get started. So what you'll do first is look at your piece of paper, and you notice that it's got some lines on it and it has a little trim line at the bottom. What we will do is start by folding this little, on the bottom of your page, we're going to fold this little line right here, and then we're going to cut it, but we're not going to throw the paper away. That's going to be the handle of our lantern. So fold on that dotted line, and then cut. And you'll notice that you actually have the Chinese word for cut right there. It's jian. So pull this strip aside, we'll use it in just a moment. The next thing we want to do is fold the paper on this straight line in the center of the paper. We're going to fold it straight over just like this. All right, just fold along that center line. Now we will cut from the top of the fold down the dotted line, leaving some space at the bottom of our page that is not cut, just like so. So you'll see I cut through both sides of the paper, but I left a little piece at the end, and that's where I'm going to attach the lantern. So I'm going to cut the rest of these lines in just the same way. So now I have a bunch of cuts, but there's space at the bottom of my lantern. Now what I will do is turn, actually, should have folded it with the black lines to the inside. Now I will straighten my lantern out, and I am going to make a circle just like this, and I will tape the top edges and the bottom edges together so that they will make this lantern shape. You can use glue or staples, but I've got tape handy, so that's what I'm going to use. I will say that this needs a little bit of holding, so if you have tape, that might be the best thing to use. Glue might take a long time to dry. You might have to sit there for a little while with your glue, holding it shut. Okay. Alrighty. Next, I will take my piece of paper that we cut off in the beginning, and I'm going to attach it to the top or bottom, doesn't matter, they're both the same. I'm going to attach it as a handle with the writing on the inside into the lamp. So again, you could use tape or glue or a stapler, and since I have tape, that's what I will use. I'm taping it from the inside. You tape it however you can. Okay. And now I have a little lantern. So the final step is to decorate this lantern, and we've put some stickers for you in your little bag. You can just pop these around the top. You can color it, you can put glitter on it with glue, you can do whatever you want to make your lantern as festive as possible. And you can hang up your lantern to be festive for the season. And just for fun, I'm going to take a white crayon and do some little dots. You can also color your lantern before you tape it together. That might have been a smart thing for me to do. Chinese New Year lantern. We hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today and that you have a wonderful year, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.